There's something about the road. You never quite know where it will take you, but somehow it's always exactly where you need to be. We're KezzaNKrew, and this is our life on the road. In this episode, we meet up with family in Darwin and set off exploring the top end together. From vibrant street art to waterfall swims in Litchfield National Park, floating through bitter springs and sunset at Mindil Beach sunset markets. This one's all about the good times and the shared adventures.
Every day is a wonderful day. Who knows what we'll see? It could be anything.
But the road always has its own plans, and ours started with a flat tyre on the stretch between Gregory and Camooweal, a dusty reminder that not every detour is on the map. But we roll with it, as you do, and the end of the day we camped by the still waters of Camooweal Lagoon, where the chaos of the road fades into quiet reflections and wide open skies. After spending a few days recouping and relaxing, we continued our journey westwards.
Life is our paintbrush, and we are in no rush to use up all the colors of the rainbow. Red, green, orange, yellow, blue.
And from the quiet stillness of the Outback, we were suddenly thrown into the bustle of the city. Dusty tracks traded for vibrant streets where every corner tells a different story. We hit the laneways of Darwin, exploring the colour, the creativity and the hidden artwork, all tucked in between.
Indigo and violet too. These are all the colors of the rainbow. Yeah, we're making rainbows. Yeah, we're making rainbows. Yeah, we're making rainbows. Every day is a wonderful day. Who knows what we'll see? It could be anything, thing. Anything. Oh, yeah. Love is our life force. It runs through us like a wild horse. The more you feed it, the stronger it grows. Me and you are the same, just different colors and different names. We all live in the same rainbow. Yeah, we're making rainbows. Yeah, we're making rainbows. Yeah, we're making rainbows. Love is a rainbow. Light it up and watch it glow. Life is a rainbow. Just wanna let you know that every day is a wonderful day. Who knows what we'll see? It could be anything.
But it's not long before the road calls again. We leave Darwin behind, going chasing waterfalls in Litchfield National Park. sun sets over the Mindil Beach sunset markets, so does our time in Darwin with family. Out here, it's never just about the places you go, it's about the people beside you when you get there. And for now, this is exactly where we need to be. See you on the road.